So
taking
the
a
last
quick
time we
at
went over it was October 3rd.
yeah,
Okay.
AEXE. Be taking a look at that ticker here. Um, the last time we went over this one, it was on October 3rd. I've got the price written down over there, 0032. I put it on alert then. I thought it was going to take off, and you had 3 days later, 0085. So it's a big gain actually coming off of the third. Where are we at? 0032 to that's 005, 0085. That's a pretty big gain for a 3 day. Putting that one on a watch. So we went through that one quite a bit then. It looks like we might have went through this one recently too. But hey, well, I could pull that up here if Joe after Joe goes through it. But let's go through right now. Okay, you got these boundary bands tighten up. The volume really started picking up. So something must have happened right around December 15th, 16th area. And then boom, you had a nice takeoff, pull back in, come down to the 10-day. We were a little late on this one, but this one was picked over here inside of the contest. He's up 40%, picked it at 0137. Me personally, got that gap again, and it always fills. I mean, it really seems to always fill in OTC stocks. I'm just telling you guys how I see it. So right here, you had that gap, and guess what? It filled up the next day. Boom, boom, filled that gap. Right here, I think you're going to see the same thing. You're going to see this 10-day coming up, and then probably a little bit of a pullback. So the next few days. That's my personal opinion on AEXE. Joe, you got anything to add?
Well, their latest press release was on December 21st, and it was AIM Exploration Incorporated, unaware of promotional activities. So I was just kind of going through and reading that. Basically states AIM Exploration was informed by the OTC on December 19th that there is a promotional activity being performed. Prior to notification by the OTC on December 19th, the company was not aware of any promotional activities. The company has no knowledge or understanding of any promotional activities that affect the trading activity. The company, if I could just keep going on and on over there. So basically right here, I'll just go right to the thing. The company currently has convertible instruments, and the company has issued shares for convertible instruments, allowing conversion to equity securities at a discount to market price. We refer you to the notes from the consolidated financial statements dated August 31st, 2016, filed within the 10-K filed on December 15th, 2016. In addition, we refer you to the subsequent events of the financial disclosure. So then, I mean, I could just basically go right over to this right here. So the notes to consolidated financial statements basically states on. I'd be going through this for a while too.
That's all right.
Basically, it just goes down the whole list of like how many shares they basically authorized and everything else. But during the year ended on August 31st, 2016, 1,862,835 common shares were issued in relation to conversion options exercised during the year, valued at say $156,439 and $129,475 related to principal of the convertible notes, 15,864 to acquired interest, accrued interest, sorry, and 11,100 to fees. During the year ended in August 31st, 2015, the company issued convertible notes with a principal balance of 306,000, with the maturity dates ranging from November 6, 2015 to July 22nd, 2016, of an interest rate per annum ranging from 8% to 12%. The principal is convertible into common shares of the company at a conversion rate equal to 55% to 60% of the lowest trading price of the company's common stock for the 15 prior trading days as defined in the agreement. So, I mean, then it goes through the subsequent events, and it's more or less just talking about, more. Say the company amended its authorized capital by increasing the number of authorized common shares from 250 million common shares with a par value of 0.001 per common share to 1,500,000,000 common shares with the par value of the same 0.001 per common share. The amendment was passed by the majority of the company's shareholders on September 9th, 2016.
All right.
So they raised their authorized from 250 million to 1.5 billion on September 9th, and then let's see, it basically just goes on to show you a bunch of different things that they authorized, with regards to shares. So anyways, before that, there was a press release regarding the company in general, and that was on December 19th.
Okay.
AIM Exploration completes comprehensive report on its ability to ship coal year-round via the port of Salvary, estimates its coal capacity shipments. So it basically just goes into the price of imports and price of anthracite at a 23-month high. AIM Exploration proceeds with its project in Peru, estimates coal capacity shipments. So I guess they're in the coal industry. Or let's see. All right, the company is an anthracite coal mining and exploration company and plans to mine 1,000 hectares of land. We have expertise in business mining and legal with our distinguished board of directors and advisory board. We have amicable relationships with all parties involved in mining in Peru. We are a SEC reporting publicly traded company with the trading symbol OTCQB AEXE. So I mean, just go through it, read it. I don't know. There's a lot to take in right here.
We can sit here and spend 3 hours. We say that all the time. We really could.
Yeah, we could sit there and dissect this company like a bastard, but at the end of the day, I mean,
like a bastard.
Yeah, like a bastard. But at the end of the day, I mean, I can only hold somebody's hand so much too.
Right. All right, so like I said, AEXE. If you got anything to add, if you disagree, if you think that things are going to be different, we encourage you to just come and join in on us. We have a live chat over here on investorshangout.com/live, and we have the AEXE stock message board. So you can stop by and check that out.